And this is an issue from November 2022, Animal Antics, Volume 2. Good name for a dog boarding kennel, Holiday Inn. What do you call an alligator detective? An investigator. Two birds are sitting on a perch and one says, "Do you smell fish?" Think about that one. Racehorse, the only animal that can take several thousand people for a ride at the same time. It's a dog-eat-dog world and I'm wearing milk-bone shorts. Giraffe family reunion, also known as next of kin. Why did the cat cross the road? Because the chicken had a laser pointer. Why did the elephant paint the toenails different colors? So it could hide in the dish of M&Ms. Why aren't elephants allowed on beaches? Because they can't keep their trunks up. What do you call a cat in outer space? A catlight. What's the difference between chickens and turkeys? Only the chickens celebrate Thanksgiving. Oh, goodness. A chicken crossing the road is poultry in motion. What soap do birds use? Well, Dove, of course. Angels don't always have wings. Sometimes they have whiskers. Aww. No matter which side of a door the cat or dog is on, it's the wrong side. Pet principle. What's the difference between a bird and a fly? A bird can fly, but a fly can't bird. I'm more confused than a chameleon in a bag of Skittles. My emotional support dog ate my comfort food. Oh. There are 3 moles in a tunnel. The first one says, "I smell sugar." The second one says, "I smell cinnamon." The third one says, "I smell molasses." Why did the octopus beat the shark in a fight? Because it was well armed. What did Daddy Spider say to Baby Spider? "You spend too much time on the web." Things to do if you're ever bored. 1. Go to the pet store. 2. Buy birdseed. 3. Ask how long it will take for the birds to grow. And 4. Wait for reaction. Oh. One day, little Johnny was digging a hole in his backyard. The next-door neighbor spotted him and decided to investigate. "Hello, Johnny. What are you up to?" he asked. "My goldfish died and I'm going to bury him," Johnny replied. "That's a really big hole for a goldfish, isn't it?" asked the neighbor. "That's because he's inside your cat." What do you call it when an owl has an upset stomach and it's making him grumpy? Irritable owl syndrome. What happens when you stand between 2 llamas? You get laminated. Two silkworms had a race. They ended up in a tie. Oh. Frog parking only. All others will be towed. Dog. I did the math. We can't afford the cat. Whoever said out of sight, out of mind, never had a spider disappear in the bedroom. The reason dogs have so many friends is because they wag their tails instead of their tongues. Yeah, I bet. Imagine how much sound a centipede would make if they wore flip-flops. Oh my goodness. I'm fond of pigs. Dogs look up to us. Cats look down on us. Pigs treat us as equal. Winston Churchill. My cat was just sick on the carpet. I don't think it's feline well. A priest, a minister, and a rabbit walk into a bar. The rabbit says, "I think I might be a typo." I wish I were a glowworm. A glowworm's never glum, 'cause how can you be grumpy when the sun shines out your bum? I feel bad for the homeless guy, but more so for the guy's dog, because he must be thinking, man, this is the longest walk ever. I approached a kid and asked, "What is love?" The kid answered, "Love is when a puppy licks your face." I laughed, but then he added, "Even after you left him alone all day." Aww. Kitten. A small homicidal muffin on legs, affects human sensibilities to the point of endowing the most wanton and ruthless acts of destruction with near mythical overtones of cuteness. Not recommended for beginners. Get at least 2. And that concludes our issue of Animal Antics.